Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. Today we are talking about the benefits management plan, and this is a plan that you need when you cannot depend on fortune cookies. You see, all projects provide certain benefits. Benefits are the reason that these projects actually exist. So, benefits management plan details about these benefits. That is what we are going to discuss in this video. So, do watch it till the end. Also, if you're into reading articles rather than watching videos, first link in the description is going to take you to a relevant article on this topic over at our official website pmclounge.com. So check that out. Also, this topic is part of the integration management knowledge area. So if you want to know all other topics of integration management knowledge area, second link is going to take you to a playlist that contains all the videos of all the concepts of integration management knowledge area. I would quickly like to remind you to hit the like button because that seems to be the only way YouTube notifies you every time we upload a new video. All right, so let's talk about benefits now. All projects offer certain business value. We've talked about business value in the past as well. And I'll share a link. The third link in the description will take you to a video that we did on business value. So all projects offer certain business value. In fact, this business value is the sole reason why the sponsoring organization invests the money required to deliver a project, right? So the sponsoring organization wouldn't take up the project to begin with if there was no business value that the project was delivering. So the business value can be in the form of benefits that are materialized once the project is delivered. So the benefits that you derive out of the project, they are materialized only after the project is complete and it is delivered. So now that we know that the delivery of the project leads to the realization of benefits, how and when will these benefits be delivered? And can these benefits be measured as well? The answer to questions like these is provided by the benefits management plan. That is the reason why you need this plan. Now, you might think, okay, when the project is complete, when the project is delivered, that's when you get the benefits, right? But that could not always be correct. That could be wrong. And we will look into examples of such situation in the slides to come. Now, the outcome of a project is basically its benefit. The outcome of a project could be a product, a service, a result, or any other business value. And all these are basically the benefits that the project is providing once it is complete. So the benefits management plan is actually created earlier in the project life cycle because everyone involved in the project need to know the kind of benefits that are expected once the project is complete. And these benefits, like I said earlier, these benefits is the sole reason why a project is taken up. Okay, so let's talk about the contents of the benefits management plan. Now, this is not really a template. Some of the benefits management plan may include all these points that we talk about. Some of the benefits management plan may not. So it totally depends and differs from organization to organization and project to project. But here is a generic view of how the benefits management plan should look like. The first thing is, what are the target benefits out of this project? So this could be tangible or intangible or even both. What is the value that is being delivered as part of this project? Like I said earlier, the value could be in the form of a product, a service, a result, or any other business value that the project delivers. So this is the target benefit of the project, and this should be mentioned in your benefits management plan? Remember, we are talking about the contents of the benefits management plan. What exactly is included in this document known as benefits management plan? Target benefits is one thing. The next thing is strategic alignment. So how is your project aligned with the business strategies and goals of the organization? The benefits that your project is going to provide, right, once it is complete, how are those benefits aligned with the overall business strategies and goals of your organization? That is also mentioned and defined in the benefits management plan document. Okay, moving on. Time frame for realizing benefits. And this is something that I talked about a couple of slides earlier, where I said that it is not necessary that the benefits are realized as soon as your project is complete. So the benefits might actually not be realized immediately after you deliver the project. In fact, there could be short-term benefits, there could be long-term benefits, and some benefits could be delivered in phases. And these benefits may span over the course of several projects. So let's say there is a certain benefit that requires three different projects, not just one. So the benefit may span through different projects as well. Here is an example. Construction of a factory is a project that has long-term benefits for the organization. Once the factory is constructed by you and you hand over the keys to the owner of the factory, does the owner get the benefits from day one? Of course, they are going to use that facility, but financially, the profitability that they are going to recover or earn from that factory is going to take a long time. So the benefits as a result of this project, as a result of the construction of a factory project, are actually long term. A quick reminder here, if you like our free services, do head over to pmclounge.com/contribute and make a contribution. We'll be definitely grateful to you. Okay, let's continue our discussion on the contents of the benefits management plan. What else will you find in this document? The next item you will find is benefits owner. And this is the person who is responsible for monitoring, recording, and reporting the realized benefits throughout the benefits realization time frame. Now, we've already talked about how it is not necessary that you realize the benefits of the project, or the benefits of the project are delivered as soon as the project is complete, right? There could be a long time frame, and during this time frame you realize the benefits, or you receive the benefits from the project that you have delivered. So you need a person, you need someone to take up the responsibility to monitor, record, report the benefits that are being realized in this time frame. In the industry, this role is gradually falling in the kitty of the project manager. So benefits owner is the person. The name of this person will be mentioned in this document known as benefits management plan, and he or she is going to be your point of contact if you want to know what are the benefits that your project, which is already complete, has delivered till date. Okay, so the next thing that you will find in this document is metrics. Now, when you go to the benefits owner and ask about the kind of benefits that the project has delivered, the benefits owner need to give you an answer in certain unit, right? He or she cannot just say that, okay, the benefits from this project is for what? So the metrics is the answer to this riddle. Metrics is basically measurement, the unit that is used to measure the benefits that will be derived out of the project. So whatever you do to measure the project benefits, that is metrics. Now here's an example. The factory construction project would have certain long-term financial benefits. So the financial value can be a metric here. What are the savings that the sponsoring organization derived by constructing a factory of their own? Right? Those financial figures could basically be the metrics which is used to measure the benefits derived from a project. So metrics is also defined in this document. Finally, the last two things that you will typically see in this document are assumptions and risks. Any assumptions made for the realization of benefits come under assumptions, and then there's risks, which means any foreseeable risks for the realization of benefits. So these two are also part of the benefits management plan. Let's take an example. Let's say you are doing a project where you are constructing a hotel, and you're going to take 1 year's time to complete the construction of the hotel. Your project is going to be done in 1 year. You're done with the project in a year. You have delivered the project successfully. But now comes the part of benefits realization. The assumption here is that the current travel restrictions are going to go away and people are going to travel and they are going to stay and eat and spend their leisurely time in your hotel. That's the assumption towards benefits, towards realization of benefits that you have made for your project. The risk is that the travel restrictions do not go away, situation worsens, and then your project will be successfully completed, but the realization of benefits, the benefits realization is not going to happen because you won't have tourists coming in to your hotel. So assumptions and risks are also important points that you should note in the benefits management plan document. Okay, last few pointers before we wrap this video up. The development of benefits management plan. This document is not a one-time activity. So you don't just create this document in the beginning and be done with it. This document, the creation of this document is actually iterative in nature. This document requires updates. This document requires maintenance throughout the life of the project, by the way. Now this document, it actually complements other higher level documents like the business case, the project charter, and even the project management plan. So it is extremely important that the benefits management plan, this document, remains aligned with the other complementary documents throughout the life of the project. Your business case cannot say something drastically different than what your benefits management plan says about your project. So these are complementary documents and they should remain aligned throughout the life of the project. Okay, question for this video. Can you think of any intangible benefits that a project can deliver? We talked about how there are tangible and intangible benefits that can be derived from the project. So can you think of any intangible benefits that a project can deliver? Let me know in the comments. Definitely looking forward to your answers. All right, so that's all that we had in this video. I hope you got value out of it. I hope you were able to understand what this document is all about. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we upload new content. Also, don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your #1 free PMP resource. Thank you.